Hey Anna, what are you doing? Hey Anna, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm an accountant. I'm an accountant.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want a car. I want a car.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Yes, I am doing my homework. Yes, I am doing my homework.
Have you eaten breakfast yet? Have you eaten breakfast yet?
I already have breakfast. I already have breakfast.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Because it makes me happy. Because it makes me happy.
Do you know her? Do you know her?
Yes, I know. She is Kevin's cousin. Yes, I know. She is Kevin's cousin.
Do you love him? Do you love him?
Yes, I love him so much. Yes, I love him so much.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in California. I live in California.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
What time will you leave? What time will you leave?
I will leave at 9 p.m. I will leave at 9 p.m.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
I like to drink coffee. I like to drink coffee.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
A little but not very well. A little but not very well.
Do you play tennis? Do you play tennis?
Yes, I'm good at tennis. Yes, I'm good at tennis.
Do you know that hotel? Do you know that hotel?
Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
He is a worker. He is a worker.
Do you like swimming? Do you like swimming?
No, I can't swim. No, I can't swim.
Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking. No, I don't like smoking.
Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor?
Of course. Of course.
Do you feel like eating? Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I feel love eating. Yes, I feel love eating.
What do you do in US? What do you do in US?
I have a business in US. I have a business in US.
Do you have any sister? Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have a sister. Yes, I have a sister.
Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad?
I used to go to the Philippines. I used to go to the Philippines.
Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends?
Yeah, I have many friends, but two best friends. Yeah, I have many friends, but two best friends.
Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I have completed a driving course. Yes, I have completed a driving course.
Do you often eat chocolate? Do you often eat chocolate?
No, sometimes. No, sometimes.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy a car.
What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend?
I went to visit my grandparent. I went to visit my grandparent.
Do you have money? Do you have money?
Yes, I have a lot of money. Yes, I have a lot of money.
Would you like to go out to eat with me? Would you like to go out to eat with me?
Of course, what time will we go? Of course, what time will we go?